Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Sony has just unveiled the highly anticipated Sony A7V, and it's packed with next-generation technology that could redefine the mirrorless camera landscape. But is it truly a groundbreaking leap forward, or just a modest refinement over its predecessor? In this deep dive, we'll explore the upgraded sensor, enhanced autofocus, superior low-light capabilities, and cutting-edge video features that make the Sony A7V a potential game-changer. If you're wondering whether this is the ultimate hybrid camera for content creators, filmmakers, and professional photographers, stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's find out if the Sony A7V lives up to the hype. Sony A7V, a new era for mirrorless cameras? Sony's A7 series has been a dominant force in the full-frame mirrorless camera market, consistently setting benchmarks with each release. The Sony A7V is no exception, as leaks suggest it brings significant sensor improvements, next-gen video recording capabilities, and an upgraded autofocus system. If these rumors hold, the A7V could be one of Sony's most versatile and sought-after cameras to date. Next-level video capabilities. For filmmakers and content creators, the leaked video specs of the Sony A7V are extremely promising. 8K video recording at 30 FPS. A massive upgrade for high-resolution video production. 4K recording at up to 120 FPS. Perfect for slow-motion cinematography. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, ensuring professional-grade color depth and editing flexibility. New Sony-developed codecs, balancing high-quality footage with efficient file sizes. Advanced heat dissipation technology, inspired by the Sony A1, reducing overheating issues. Dual-gain ISO system, improving low-light performance and noise reduction. Cinematic image stabilization, enabling handheld shooting without sacrificing quality. If you're a YouTuber, vlogger, or professional videographer, these improvements could make the Sony A7V a powerhouse for high-end content creation. Price and market position. Positioned as a mid to high-end full-frame camera, the Sony A7V is expected to launch in the $2,500 to $2,800 range. While this may seem steep, the rumored features indicate that it will be a worthy competitor to other flagship models like the Canon R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z7 II. With Sony's aggressive innovation, the A7V could set a new standard for hybrid shooters seeking the best of both worlds, photography and videography. Refined design and build quality. Leaked images suggest that the Sony A7V will maintain the iconic ergonomic design of its predecessors, but with some notable refinements. A slightly deeper grip, enhancing comfort for extended shooting sessions. Upgraded weather sealing, making it more durable for outdoor shoots. A redesigned button layout, optimized for hybrid shooters toggling between photo and video modes. A larger, high-resolution LCD touchscreen, improving user experience and navigation. These updates reflect Sony's commitment to improving handling, durability, and usability, a crucial factor for professionals working in diverse environments. Groundbreaking sensor and image quality. At the heart of the Sony A7V lies a rumored new 33MP full-frame stacked sensor, which promises faster readout speeds, minimizing rolling shutter effects in both photos and videos. Enhanced dynamic range, exceeding 15 stops, delivering better shadow and highlight details. Improved low-light performance, making night photography and dimly lit shoots more effective. Advanced color science, providing more natural and accurate skin tones and textures. If these leaks hold, the Sony A7V could set a new benchmark for full-frame mirrorless cameras in terms of image clarity, detail retention, and overall performance. Extended battery life and power efficiency. Battery life is a crucial aspect of professional cameras, and Sony seems to be making strides in power management with the A7V. Expected to use the NP-FZ100 battery, but with better optimization for longer shooting sessions. USB-C power delivery support, enabling fast charging and even operation via external power banks. Enhanced energy efficiency, reducing power consumption during high-performance tasks like 8K recording. These improvements ensure that the Sony A7V caters to both studio professionals and travel photographers who need a reliable, long-lasting power source. Next-gen connectivity and workflow enhancements. For professionals dealing with large files and fast-paced workflows, the Sony A7V is rumored to feature dual-band Wi-Fi 6, for seamless wireless file transfers. Faster USB-C connectivity, enhancing data transfer speeds. Dual card slots, supporting CF Express Type A and SD-UHS-2 cards for efficient media handling. Advanced integration with Sony's Imaging Edge app, allowing remote control, cloud storage, and real-time previews. These upgrades underscore Sony's commitment to streamlining the post-production process, making the A7V a great option for professionals who require a fast and efficient workflow. Revolutionary autofocus enhancements. Sony has long been a pioneer in autofocus technology, and the A7V is expected to take it even further. Improved real-time tracking, powered by next-gen AI algorithms. Advanced eye autofocus for humans, animals, and birds, ensuring pinpoint accuracy. Enhanced subject recognition for sports and action photography, making it a top choice for wildlife and event shooters. Low-light autofocus optimizations, improving focus performance in challenging conditions, such as astrophotography and indoor shoots. With these improvements, the Sony A7V could be one of the most intelligent and reliable autofocus systems ever seen in a mirrorless camera. Final thoughts. Is the Sony A7V worth it? The Sony A7V leaks suggest an incredibly powerful hybrid camera that could redefine the mid-range full-frame market. With its rumored sensor advancements, industry-leading autofocus, and robust video capabilities, the A7V is shaping up to be an essential tool for photographers and videographers alike. If Sony delivers on these expectations, the A7V could be one of the most significant camera releases of the year, competing with both Canon and Nikon's flagship models. While official confirmation is still pending, the buzz surrounding the A7V highlights the ongoing dominance of Sony's A7 lineup in the mirrorless market.